Hello guys, when I was moving out, I just saw a car which was under restoration, and I'm sure most of you will be not knowing about this car, but you have definitely seen the modified version of this car in the particular movie, which is this, the Hindustan Contessa, and it's also known as Indian muscle car. In this video, I'll be making a quick review. I'll be showing what are things it has. So let's get started. This was the complete Indian manufactured car by Hindustan Motors, and it was there from 1984 to 2002. The front design is completely unique, and unlike the other cars, it gets 4 headlights at the front, but some of its older versions used to get bigger sized single headlamps. And these are the headlights and some aftermarket installed lights, and at the center there is HM, the Hindustan Motors logo, and here you get the turn indicators. It was one among the luxury sedans of those days and gave a good competition in its segment. Coming to the side profile, it has a massive length of 4.5 meters and height of just 1.4 meters. It has a long wheelbase of 2.6 meters and gets 17-inch wheels. At the rear, we can able to see somewhat a box-shaped design everywhere with the halogen lamps. And here is a 1.8 GL badging. And to the right, there is a Contessa Classic written over there. And here you get a fuel lid. Coming to the boot, it gets 600 liters of boot space, and there you can see some space for the toolkit and also spare wheel. Now let's get into the rear seats. As you can see here, all the door handles and the window frames comes with chrome, which is a good thing. The door doesn't get any storage spaces and it gets a rolling window option, but some of the variants used to get power window option. The seats are also quite comfortable with headrests which are non-adjustable, and you also get a center armrest. And this is how the front looks from here. Here you also get reading lamps at both the sides. Now coming to the driver side, the door gets a small storage space. And there you get a bigger sized steering wheel, a vertically placed AC vent, headlight levelers, and at the bottom these are the pedals. Even the front seats are also comfortable and they come with adjustable headrests. And the handbrake is placed here, and I think these are for power window option for the front doors, which is aftermarket installed, a 5-speed manual transmission system, and here also you get some AC vents which are placed vertically unlike the modern cars. Here is a small sized glove box. It gets a 2-spoked steering wheel with only horn controls mounted on both the sides, and at the center there is a Hindustan Motors logo. The instrument cluster gets a bigger sized 2 circular units. One is a speedometer and another one is a fuel and temperature indicator. And all the status LEDs are placed on both the sides. And guys, while making this review, I also found another iconic car, which is this Fiat Premier Padmini. I will be also making this review in the coming days. If you are interested, you can subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon for notification. And now coming to the engine, guys, I have never seen such a heavier hood before. And under this there is a inline 4-cylinder 1.8 liter Isuzu petrol engine, which delivers 88 bhp at 5000 rpm and 135 Newton meters of torque at 3000 rpm. There was also 2-liter diesel engine option available. This car can give an average mileage of around 10 kilometers per liter with 64 liters of fuel tank, and it can reach to a top speed of around 120 kmph. Now this car is in very bad condition and it's in the restoration, so I could not record the engine sound. If possible, I'll be making another video on this. And this is all about the Indian muscle car. And guys, this car is also available now in the used market. This is also for people who would love to own some old vintage cars, and definitely you can give it a fantastic look after some modifications. I hope you guys like this video. Hit on like button and also leave a comment how you felt about this Indian car. Thank you for watching this video. For more automobile reviews, you can subscribe to our channel and also follow us on Instagram. I'll see you in the next one.